Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you translate app in new iOS 14. So here you know that also Apple add by default application that you can use for translation, and also I will show to you how it looks like and how you can also translate some information from one language to another. So just here you can see it. So just click continue. Not now. And also, for example, I will enter hello, go. Here you can see that we successfully translate from English to Spanish. So here on the left side you can choose language from what you want to translate, and from the right side you can choose language to what you want to translate. So after you write, just click here for translation, for listening translation. So this is the way how you can translate in iOS 14. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.